Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. If you're looking to understand how to integrate Java with the Singapore API, or any similar service, I'll guide you through a hypothetical example that demonstrates how to use Java to interact with an API. For the sake of this tutorial, let's assume we're trying to access some public data related to Singapore, such as weather information from a hypothetical weather API. Step 1, setting up your Java environment. Before you start coding, ensure you have Java installed on your machine. You can download the JDK from the Oracle website, https://www.oracle.com/java/technology/java-z-jdk11-downloads.html, or use OpenJDK. 1. Install Java Development Kit, JDK. Download and install the JDK. Set the Java_home environment variable. Update the path variable to include the bin directory of the JDK. 2. Set up your IDE. You can use any IDE you prefer, such as IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or Visual Studio Code. Step 2, create a new Java project. 1. Open your IDE and create a new Java project. 2. Create a new Java class file, example singaporeweather.java. Step 3, add dependencies. For making HTTP requests, it's common to use libraries like Apache HTTP Client or OKHTTP. In this example, we will use Apache HTTP Client. If you are using Maven, add the following dependency to your pom.xml. If you are not using Maven, you can download the HTTP client library manually and add it to your class path. Step 4, write the code. Here's an example code snippet that demonstrates how to make a GET request to a hypothetical weather API for Singapore. Step 5, run the code. 1. Make sure to replace your _API_ key with an actual API key from the weather service you are using. 2. Build and run your Java application from your IDE or command line. Step 6, handle errors and exceptions. Always handle exceptions properly in production code. You might want to add more sophisticated error handling, such as checking the HTTP response status code and handling different types of exceptions. Conclusion. This tutorial provides a basic understanding of how to make HTTP requests in Java to access data related to Singapore. You can expand upon this by integrating more features, such as allowing user input for different cities, saving data to a database, or displaying it in a GUI application. If you have a specific API in mind or want to explore other functionalities, feel free to ask.